Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Murder Mystery Kit is probably one of the most engaging and immersive ways to spend an evening with friends and family, transforming your living room into a scene of intrigue and suspense where you'll have to use your wits and deduction skills to solve a captivating crime, filled with twists, turns, and unexpected clues that will keep you guessing until the very end, promising an unforgettable night of mystery and fun for everyone involved. Number 5. Hyundai Killer, Death at the Dive Bar. Welcome to Death at the Dive Bar, an immersive murder mystery game. Get ready to play detective and unravel a thrilling case. It's like an escape room delivered right to your door. You'll feel like you are solving a real-life murder mystery. Decode ciphers, piece together clues, and consider all the evidence. Can you solve the crime? This game is perfect for true crime enthusiasts. It's a fun and engaging way to spend an evening. It's designed for 1 to 5 players and takes 45 to 60 minutes to play. Gather your friends and family for a night of mystery and fun. Hyundai Killer has shipped over 2 million boxes worldwide. This game is an authentic and immersive investigation you won't want to miss. What we like? It is an immersive experience that transports you into a real-life murder mystery. You can solve the case in a single sitting, making it perfect for a quick game night. If you enjoy escape rooms but want the convenience of home, this is the one for you. What people say. The evidence is super detailed and clearly thought out well. There was no confusion as to who the murderer was by the time we opened the answer envelope. It was easy to follow the clues, but breaking the codes was a little challenging. We needed both of our brains to figure these out. The evidence and papers all look amazing and high quality. I love how they printed them on different types of paper to give it an authentic feel. It was very intriguing to go through the evidence one by one, discovering new clues, theories, and even drawing connections to other pieces of evidence. Number 4. Unsolved Case Files, Jamie Banks. Step into the shoes of a seasoned detective. Your mission: solve a decades-old murder using only the original case files. Can you crack the case? To solve this mystery, you must find 3 key clues. First, determine if the victim was alone. Then, debunk a suspect's alibi. Finally, identify the evidence that will lead to the killer. Examine more than 50 photos and documents, including crime scene photos, witness statements, and suspect interrogations. It's a realistic experience for any mystery enthusiast. Verify your progress online. The answer key helps you check your work without revealing the solution if you're stuck. Keep investigating. It's a great game for individuals, couples, groups, or parties. This engaging mystery will challenge your intellect and teamwork, creating a memorable experience for all. What we like? This game lets you feel like a real cold case detective. It features multiple mysteries to solve, adding depth and complexity to the investigation. If you like a challenge and enjoy detailed evidence, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It felt impressively real: a coroner's report, photographic evidence, witness statements, persons of interest, etc. Combining elements of investigative work, puzzle solving, and storytelling, this game challenges players to solve cold cases based on fictionalized versions of real unsolved crimes. All that evidence is so clever and looks so real. Number 3. Cryptic Killer's Cold Case. A chilling crime has occurred in Redmond, UK. The wealthy Chloe Whittle was found murdered. It's up to you to solve this mystery. You'll uncover a wealth of clues, photos, reports, witness statements, and more. Examine each piece carefully, every detail counts. Access a crucial online police inbox. But beware, it's protected. You'll need sharp detective skills to get in. With approximately 2 hours of gameplay, can you solve this challenging whodunit? Hints are available if you get stuck. It's ideal for individuals, couples, families, or parties. Gather your friends and put your detective skills to the test. What we like? It offers a thrilling cold case investigation with tons of physical evidence to examine. The unique online police inbox adds an extra layer of intrigue to the gameplay. If you prefer a hands-on approach with a digital twist, this game is for you. What people say. The evidence artifacts were well crafted and varied. From letters, to photos, to reports, to newspaper articles to going online to view emails. These touches made the story so much more realistic. The combination of physical and digital clues made the whole thing feel very well thought out and well-rounded. What is super cool is everything included in the package. This game is very thoughtfully designed. Number 2. Unsolved Case Files, Jane Doe. Step into the shoes of a seasoned detective. Your mission, to solve a decades-old murder using only the original case files. Can you crack the case? This isn't just one puzzle, it's 3 interwoven mysteries. First, discover how the victim arrived at Del Fuego Island. Then, identify the victim. Finally, connect the victim to a suspect to solve the crime. You'll have access to a wealth of evidence, photos, documents, witness statements, and more. It's like having a real-life case file at your fingertips. Test your solutions online. The online answer key provides verification without giving away the answers if you're stuck. It's a great game for individuals, couples, groups, or parties. Whether you're a seasoned mystery solver or a casual player, it offers a thrilling challenge and engaging teamwork. What we like? Become a cold case detective and try to solve a decades-old murder. It involves solving multiple mysteries to crack the case. If you enjoy a challenging investigation with lots of documents and photos, this one's for you. What people say. We did this on Christmas and started at 9 p.m. Why did we start late, lol? I don't know, but we wanted to finish. We had 7 people total playing, from ages of 19 to 50. We all reviewed the documents and talked about what we got from each document. We slowly made process and eventually solved this case in 2 hours and a half. It was really fun. Takes hours to solve, which makes it more entertaining. It's a really great game and super fun and interesting. Definitely find the right people to play with though. BC out of like 5 people my aunt and I were the only ones who were really invested in playing. Number 1. Underwood Cellars Murder Mystery. It's a chilling mystery that has haunted Napa winemaker Carrie Underwood for 20 years. His murder was exposed after a Napa earthquake, but the killer is still out there. Can you solve it? Dive into a thrilling narrative with realistic evidence. You'll examine photos, articles, and other clues just like a real detective. Online hints and solutions are available if you get stuck. Investigate motive, means, and opportunity to crack the case. It's a challenging game that will test your deductive reasoning skills. Murder mystery party games have been a favorite among true crime fans since 1985. It's perfect for a night with friends and family, or even a solo challenge. This immersive game will keep you on the edge of your seat. Unravel the mystery and bring the killer to justice. Watch the video to see it in action. This is just one of many exciting murder mystery party games available. Explore our collection and find your next thrilling adventure. What we like? It's an immersive mystery game that unfolds over 20 years. The realistic evidence will make you feel like you're part of the investigation. If you love detailed stories and realistic clues, this is the game for you. What people say. This game is very in-depth with old newspaper articles, crime scene photos, medical reports, maps, etc. The clues are good without being patronizing. The websites for extra clues and the solution and epilogue are good. I really like the quality of the evidence and the storyline makes sense. The detail in the package is amazing, really gets your mind working without giving too much away. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.